If you've been looking for an effective waterproof motorcycle luggage setup that works well on bikes of different shapes and sizes, this episode of Gear Matters is made for you. As a company that makes numerous motorcycle luggage products for various kinds of motorcycles and use cases, we've spent a lot of time thinking about the functionality of motorcycle luggage. And a universal luggage setup for us needs to be easy to mount and use on various types of bikes, no bike-specific saddle stays, hardware or anything else required. Offer enough capacity to carry a reasonable amount of gear comfortably. The option for expansion is of course useful. It should allow you to still enjoy your ride. The bags should fit well on the bike and not cause any significant interference to handling. And the bag should be easy to travel with. If you're flying or traveling somewhere to rent or pick up a bike and ride, your universal luggage system should not require any other luggage system to get it there. Taking all of this into consideration, here's the type of setup that we would recommend. A waterproof tail bag like the dry bag or hammerhead at the rear, a strap-based well-sized tank bag like the ViaTerra Ace at the front, and a compact easy-to-carry bag like the Pod 12 for optional expansion. The ViaTerra dry bags and hammerhead tail bags work well across different types of bikes because of their shape. The flat underside allows easy and universal mounting irrespective of the width of the seat or obstructions like odd-shaped pillion grab handles. As long as you have a reasonable amount of flat space behind the rider and a few good mounting points for the luggage straps, you will be able to use one of these bags just as easily on any type of bike. And for when you're traveling, either of these bags can function as your primary luggage. The dry bag effectively becomes a large travel duffel, and the hammerhead even has convenient backpack straps to make it easier to carry. The same applies to a strap-based tank bag like the ViaTerra Ace. Since it can be mounted securely on metal tanks and plastic ones with the same level of ease, larger strap-based tank bags like the Oxus and Fly offer this convenience too. But we've included the Ace as the preferred option because its compact size strikes a good balance between storage needs and minimizing rider interference. With its included shoulder strap, it is really easy to carry when you travel too. The pod is the magic trick in this setup. It weighs less than 400 grams and can be easily stored away when not in use. But with its modular mounting capabilities, you have 12 liters of additional waterproof storage whenever you need it. For us, this setup strikes the right balance between functionality and convenience. Yes, you will have more space if you also carry saddlebags, and there are always larger luggage options that will allow you to carry more. But if you want to be able to go anywhere and ride anything without thinking twice, then being able to work with a setup like this one will change the way you travel on a motorcycle. As always, links to everything will be in the description below. If you liked the video and you think it could be useful to a fellow rider, please share it along. And if you have any ideas or questions that you would like us to look into in future videos, please share them in the comments too. Thank you for watching.